Luna Altoona and the Toothache Potion. Luna sat on her broom as she flew by the ocean. She grinned as she scribbled down her magic toothache potion. The Halloween I'll invent, the trickiest treat of all. I'll hand out toothache candy, no one will guess at all. So in her melting pot, she made her tricky treat. She melted yummy chocolate that all kids would love to eat. First she added sticky mint and cranky toothache shells. Then she cast 100 more. Forget the toothbrush bells. Her toad, pet cat and crow watched her swirl naughty potion. They were curious as she stirred it with a curly, swirly motion. She swirled it much too hard, and then there was a bam, bish, boom. Now there was hot melted chocolate all over the room. Splash jumped her little cat. Boink came her little toad. Her startled crow sat on the pot, dipped in his beak and crowed. Her cat meowed. His teeth were hurting. The crow had a beakache too. Ouch, they've ate the chocolate and now they've got toothache. The poor green toad stuck out his tongue. It was all black and blue. Ooh. Oh dear, said Luna with a sigh. This did not turn out well. Why didn't I think it would be fun to cast such a naughty spell? Up. She hopped onto a broom and flew into the sky. She came home with all the things her pets needed to try. Some tooth floss milk for her cat. Some beak wash for the crow. She helped her green toad brush his tongue and it began to glow. Phew, said Luna, sitting down. That was just no fun. I'm not playing pranks anymore on anyone. But as Luna cleaned up the big mess all through the night, she forgot about the potion and took a yummy chocolate bite. Oh no! Surprise, surprise! Ouch! The end. So she had a taste of her own medicine there. Taste of her own medicine did Luna, making nasty treats for Halloween, and then she realised that she got it herself. Hope you've enjoyed that story today. It's called Luna. Happy Halloween. Hope you get lots of treats. Bye-bye for now.